Google has scheduled the I/O 2023 Developers Conference for May 10th, where, as per tradition, will be unveiling Android 14 OS. There are chances the brand might introduce the affordable Pixel 7a and the much-hyped Pixel Fold at the same stage, though nothing has been confirmed by the brand. As we inch closer to the rumored launch timeline, new details about the products are surfacing online. John Prosser of Front Page Tech has revealed when the Pixel 7a and Pixel Fold will be available for pre-orders and purchase. Separately, a report citing sources in the know has revealed the price details of the Pixel 7a. According to Tipster, Google Pixel Fold will be announced on May 10th and will be available for pre-order from Google Store will start on May 10th and May 30th via partners and carrier outlets. The foldable phone will be on sale starting from June 27th. He also claims the Pixel 7a will be available immediately after the announcement on May 10th and comes in charcoal, snow sea, and coral. The report claims Google will not discontinue the Pixel 6 post-Pixel 7a launch. As for the Pixel 7a price, the 9to5 Google report claims the phone will be priced at $499, which is a $50 increase from the Pixel 6a. Considering the hardware improvements the affordable Pixel might bring to the table, this hike seems fair, but still interesting. The Google Pixel 7a is expected to sport a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, symmetrical bezels, and a center-positioned punch-hole cutout. Powering the phone is the Tensor G2 chipset paired with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB US 3.1 storage. The phone runs on Android 13 OS out of the box. The Pixel 7a is tipped to come with a 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor and a 13-megapixel secondary sensor. The phone could house a 10.8-megapixel snapper on the front for selfies. The rest of the details of the phone are under wraps, but we should learn more details shortly. Anyhow, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.